Hello everyone. Welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 48 and the title is Leadership Principles. Let me begin here today with an interesting fact. When you put the word leadership principle in Google search, you would be surprised to see the number of results. You get 5 million plus results. Enough to go through and get confused, right? True. So to simplify, Peter Drucker has suggested 3 key principles. And the first one is leaders are driven by purpose. So when we see successful organizations, they know what they are called to do, they know what they are not called to do. What's important, what's not important. They don't need reminding. They are clear about their identity. They are driven by purpose. Similarly, leaders too are driven by purpose. They communicate in the sense that people around them know what they are trying to do. They know how to develop their purpose, and most importantly, they know how to say no. No to all the detractors. No to all those things which don't serve their purpose anymore. And as a result, they don't suffocate themselves. If we are set to become all we can be, it's simply impossible to keep adding the activities to our work and to our lives without dropping others' activities. This reminds me of a beautiful saying from Warren Buffett, and it says, the difference between successful and really successful people is the really successful people say no to almost everything. And that's being driven by purpose. That's having that clarity on the road you need to travel. Moving on, let me share you the second leadership principle, and that is focus. Let me bring here my real life story about the days in Reliance Industries in Mumbai. The rock climbing used to be an annual expedition for Reliance professionals, and every year a batch of 25 people used to be selected from that territory. I applied and fortunately got selected. But now the big thing was that going through that 3 months of training, because that was scheduled after 3 months. It involved 2 months of rigorous training, the next 2 weeks about visiting that particular site and getting to know to those smaller aspects, and the final 2 weeks about getting literally ready from the gears and all those perspectives. So the initial 2 months, every single day, including weekends, after office hours in evening, we were called for 2 hours. Initial 90 minutes were dedicated for the rigorous physical training, and the last 30 minutes were dedicated for the psychological aspects. And the most important aspect was about focus. The trainer used to say, there is no room for error. You can't see here and there, you can't see down, you need to be closer to the rock. So the message was very loud and clear. What you focus, what you can. So the critical question for leader is, what's your focus? Are you simply pouring and investing your energy and resources into the things which are no longer relevant? Here is good news for you. You can sharpen your focus by asking this question regularly. What do I have to stop doing? Yes. What do I need to stop doing? For sure, this will give you enough room for all your activities and projects which are central to your mission. It's like chiseling out everything from that piece of stone, all those sharp and rough edges which don't make sense anymore, to get final that beautiful piece of art for yourself. And that's what is having a laser sharp focus, and that's what would take you closer to your destiny. Yeah. So let's move and talk about the third and last leadership principle, and that is having a clarity on what needs to be done. Successful leaders don't start out asking, what do I want to do? They ask, what needs to be done? And then they ask, of those available things which would make difference, what's the right for that entire ecosystem? What's there for greater good? And during the journey, if they aren't good at something, they don't do that by themselves. They take help of others. They ask for help. They aren't afraid of strength of others. And on contrary, they involve their skills as a complementary in their mission and finally get going with massive actions. They ensure that they succeed. Yeah. So is a way forward? Explore these 3 leadership principles during your own leadership journey. The first one is driven by purpose. Second, leaders have a laser sharp focus. And third, having a clarity on what needs to be done. So purpose, focus, and finally that what needs to be done. As Stephen Covey said, the main thing is to keep main thing a main thing. Yeah. So here is wishing you all the best. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care and happy learning.